In this video, you'll learn how to add interactive tags to a 3D model in ThingLink. To get started, click Create 3D Model, and you can upload a 3D model in GLB or GLTF format with a maximum file size of 500 megabytes from your device. You can also scan a real-world object using the ThingLink Capture app, or choose a ready-made model from the ThingLink 3D Model library. Check out our separate tutorial to learn how to create your own 3D models with the Capture app. Once you have selected or uploaded your 3D model, the editor will open, and you can start adding tags. Click directly on the part of the 3D object where you want to place it, and add a text description or other relevant information. Click on the plus icon to add more content to the tag. For example, you can add an image to provide additional visual information about that part of the model. You can also add videos, PDFs, links, audio, YouTube videos, and other embedded web content. As you continue adding tags, you can click and drag to rotate the model and zoom out or in to get a closer look. You can reposition your tags, edit, or remove them at any time. To customize the appearance of your project, click Customize on the top left. Here, you can choose the style of your tag icons and change the scene background. You can also choose the view your viewers see when they first open the project. Position the model exactly as you'd like it to appear. Then click on the camera icon to save it as the initial view. When you're finished, click Done to save your changes. Make sure that the privacy setting is set to anyone with a link. Your interactive 3D model is now ready to share by link, embed on a website, or add to another ThingLink scene. You now know how to add and customize interactive tags on a 3D model in ThingLink. If you need help, contact your ThingLink point of contact or our support team at support@thinglink.com.